I don't know. He just stopped by. He's the one who wanted to do anything.
Well, I'm going to weasel him into doing this. It'll take 5 minutes, and then he's going to run over and get that knife.
Well,
and then it'll take another 5 minutes.
You just saying the knife's upstairs.
The knife's upstairs.
How far away is upstairs? Look, it's time to share with all knife makers here. We're all
I didn't
brothers.
buy it, so let me
We're
ask.
all brothers.
Let me ask.
Oh, please.
Let me ask the owner.
Oh, please.
Okay.
Thank you. I hope I could BS my way into a good, but anyway, good.
Yep, that was good.
Hit it.
So, what would you like to know?
So, what is it? Who are you? Where are we? And how did you get the idea? And how does it work? And the good points, bad points.
Sure. Okay. This is the first version 1 prototype of Karambit. Things that might have been different than you understand Karambits. It was developed mostly from interaction with people who use them for duty purposes, cops, things like this, who are unsatisfied with a couple aspects of typical Karambits. One of them being how they're not easy to deploy consistently, and also how the lighter locks aren't always well suited for the types of action that's being deployed. You're seeing a lot of force against lighter locks in reverse grips and things. So this kind of attempts to answer a lot of those questions. And mostly, which comes with things by new clip, which is just a simple piece, in this case, of titanium. Contour underneath, giving you space to move, so when you push it, it moves. So if you're going to put it in your pocket, you just swipe it. It's easy. But if you come out into this retention position, you don't have to clear a channel for the blade to move. You can just push down on this, and it opens up. And you can use it as needed. But also, this particular version, this first version, double locks, so that it really can't come apart. So you can lock the bar out. Close it. The version 2 will be a little bit different. But basically the same concept. It'll be a little narrower this way. It'll be actuate slightly differently. Improvement, a little more GI proof kind of thing, and a little easier, a little less to learn in terms of the manual arms. But but yeah, that's kind of the thing. It's the big aspect of it. The blade never crosses your. Never threatens your own hand at all. You can't, and you don't have to make a channel. So if this was a traditional blade that opened in a typical fashion, no matter what you do, you open it up. You have to put it down. You can never have a fist on it for that moment, which could be a critical moment depending on what the situation is. But in this case, as long as you get your hand on it, you can use it as a bludgeon or whatever, and then go straight from there to having it open without having to ever change your grip. And that's the basic, concept, advantage of this concept. Version 1.
What made you come up with the design? Or what were you thinking?
Well, it mostly came from perceiving the problems and then kind of reversing, what can we do to address these problems, which means those inherent problems, which I mentioned earlier, are inherent to how they're being constructed. You can't really get around it, at least not in any easy way. You have to reimagine how the thing is being done entirely, and that brings with it its own challenges. That's why you do multiple versions of things and stuff. This one works, really well as it is. But like I said, version 2 will be fewer parts, a little more simplicity, a little easier to make. This is not particularly hard to make at all. It has a lot of potential to be able to be produced well in a lot of volume too, because the way the parts fit together, there are no stack tolerances really to speak of, unlike a regular folder. So fit and finish is quite easy actually on this thing when you're trying to assemble it. And that's where it's at.
Okay, Joe. And thanks a lot.
Thanks for stopping by.